In this video, I'll show you how to send and receive crypto and USDT in Binance. It's going to be a tutorials for beginners. So if you want to be able to send crypto at first, what you need to do, you need to have the crypto, right? So click on this send. You can select the option you want to use to send it. So if you want to send to Binance users, it's the first option. If you want to withdraw, let me say to your wallet, or to your friend, or to your family, I want to pay someone, use this, right? So select the coin you want to withdraw. Let's say if you want to withdraw Solana now, click on it, paste the person's wallet address here, select the network you're sending from, and enter the amount, right? So this still applies for the rest of the crypto here on Binance. So the same thing, get the address, select the network, choose the amount. So this still applies to all of them. Then if you're not be able to receive, click on it. You're going to see deposits, right? So click on it. So you're going to be able to select your wallet address to be able to receive, right? So this still applies for other cryptos here on Binance, right? So you can be able to do that on Binance, that is to receive. So this is what you're going to do. So select the network. So that is how you can do this. Then if you want to be able to, let me say, if you want to be able to send USDT on Binance, I'll show you what you need to do now. So come on here, type in USDT, right? So this is it. Now if you want to be able to deposit or to receive USDT, click on this. Now click on this, right? Then ask the person, the network the person is sending from. There's the BIP20, there's the TRC20, there's the Ethereum, there's a whole lot of them. So this is how you can be able to receive USDT on Binance. Now if you want to send USDT, you need to come on here, click on this send, click on this first option, right? So select, let me say I want to use USDT. So click on this. Now get the person's wallet address, choose your network. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.